Shwmai everybody, a chroeso I Welsh with Woe. In this week's episode, I'm going to teach you all of the days of the week. Dysgwch Gymraeg. Well everyone, today's a super exciting day on Welsh with Woe. As you know, I've spent every day for the last week with our competition winner. Now please welcome Tino!
Hello.
Tino, where are all your clothes?
I think I've forgotten them, Woe. You know, I forget my head if it wasn't stapled on.
Stapled?
Yeah, I'm pretty low budget.
Well, Tino, we've spent an amazing week together. How did you find it?
To be honest, Miss Woe, it's been such a big week and my head's a bit scrambled. I can't actually remember what we did.
Okay, well, what kind of questions have you got?
Well, when is now?
You mean today? Well, in Welsh, that's heddiw.
And, what is before?
You mean yesterday? That's ddoe.
Alright, ddoe. And what about what happens next?
You mean tomorrow? That's yfory.
Yfory. Alright. Cool. I think I've got it pieced together now.
So do you really not remember what happened this week?
Right, I think I might need a reminder.
Okay, well, this is what we did. So dydd Llun, we went to St Fagans.
Oh.
Dydd Mawrth, we went to the Millennium Centre.
Alright.
Dydd Mercher, we met my family.
Oh yeah.
Dydd Iau, we went scuba diving. Dydd Gwener, we went to Mars.
Oh yeah.
Dydd Sadwrn, we delivered the State of the Union address.
Vote blue, no matter who.
Dydd Sul, we saw a sheep.
Hi. Shwmai.
So, did that refresh your memory?
Yeah, I think it did. Thank you.
Great. Okay, let's recap. St Fagans.
Dydd Llun.
The Millennium Centre.
Dydd Mawrth.
Met my family.
Dydd Mercher.
Scuba diving.
Dydd Iau.
Went to Mars.
Dydd Gwener.
Delivered the State of the Union.
Dydd Sadwrn.
Saw a sheep.
Dydd Sul.
Great, so now that we remember everything we did, what was your favourite... Wait, where did you go?
Hello. Alright, let's get started. If you're enjoying Welsh with Woe, make sure to like and subscribe. Look, down there. That's where it all is.